Welcome to a statistics presentation on the normal distribution. Let's read the problem. Again, consider the survey of 350 Bank of America customers. Assume that 40% of Bank of America customers would currently express customer delight. It says we're going to assume that the P hat or P is equal to 0.48. That's what the current customers express, the percentage of current customers that express customer delight. We want to see, has it changed? We want to look at the probability of certain events to occur if the original distribution is 0.48 or the mean value is 0.48. So if I look at part A here, I'm looking for the probability that the proportion is between 0.45 and 0.51 if the original proportion is 0.48. Okay? So here what we're going to do, we need to go to Excel. In Excel, I've already plugged in some information here. Here, 0.48 was given. Your proportion is the mean. Okay? Your standard deviation or standard error is another name for standard deviation when you're dealing with normal distribution. We're going to use this formula over here to find that. And the formula is just the square root of P times 1 minus P divided by N. Okay? I put this already in Excel here. 0.48 was your P. 1 minus P was 0.52. Multiply those together, divide by 350, take the square root of all that, and we get 0.0267. Okay, there's your mean, your standard deviation, and we need to, for Excel, you got to do two of these. I'm going to go to my function. I'm going to go to normal distribution. I'm going to type in the x value. I'm going to have to do the simplest way to remember this. Whenever you're doing an in-between, just find both lowers and subtract. It's the easiest way when you're in Excel to do this. I need to find the lower probability, under the curve at 0.45 and at 0.51. So I need to go to 0.45 here. My mean is 0.48. And my standard deviation is your 0.0267. We could do this and just click the cell. Then we'll have the exact number. Okay? And then your cumulative, place a 1 there. Click OK. Okay? Let's do the same thing. Watch what I'm going to do. I'm just going to pull this down. And now I'm just going to change. This actually changed to this should stay the same value, so I'm going to make that be 2. But this 0.45 now, I need the lower for 0.51. So now let's make this 0.51. Hit enter. Okay, I just need to take those and subtract. That's my answer. This value minus this value. Your answer is 0.7387, so forth. So there's a 73.87 chance that the percentage or proportion will be between these two values. Okay. Let's see if we can do the same thing in mini tabs. Maybe faster, maybe not. I don't know. We're going to go to mini tabs. We're going to go to graph. We're going to go to probability distribution plot. We're going to go to view probability. We're going to type in our mean. Our mean was 0.48. Standard deviation. This is the downfall of using, I say downfall, but one thing in using mini tabs, you can't type in a formula here. So I would have to go and calculate it another place. So I'm just going to type in 0.0267 since we already calculated it earlier. Okay. I'm going to click OK. And no, I made a mistake. Okay, I forgot to go to shaded area here, so I'm going to go back here to find the in-between. I'm just going to click here. I'm going to click X value. Just going to type in 0.45. Or okay, here you just got to make sure you type those values in, 0.45 to 0.51, and you have the middle part. Click OK, and there's your solution. 2 ways to do the same thing. If you have any questions, hopefully this helped. If you have any questions, please let me know.